Yeah, I think getting the definition for a lot of these things are important. So for us, the way we define a managed service is it's sort of the best of both worlds. You like the fact that a particular solution is in the cloud, but at the same time you want to have just your data and it's just your instance as a customer. So we call that a managed service option. So where Adobe is managing the solution for you in the cloud, and in some cases it's a private cloud, but it's just for you, and then you can be assured that all your security and compliance requirements are met. And that's one of the key differences we see from a cloud-based, a publicly cloud-based offering. Key trends we're seeing in the web conferencing market is increasing adoption of the cloud. And so, whether it's your public cloud or your private cloud, we're seeing that going up. And that's reflected in a lot of statistics we're seeing in our own hosted offering. And so we're seeing doubling of usage in minutes year over year, and we don't expect that to slow down anytime soon. The second trend we're seeing is more specialized use cases. So, web conferencing has started as pretty much a horizontal platform, and now we're seeing people demanding more end-to-end use cases. In our case, people expect a deeper e-learning solution. So, it's starting from how do you create your e-learning content to publishing it end-to-end. So, this is something that Connect supports. But we're also seeing that on the sales and marketing front in terms of customer acquisition. So we think that will continue to grow and to get specialized in terms of the kind of problem you're trying to solve. The third thing we're seeing is just the use of video, right? And so I think that the this interview is an example, but just interactivity in terms of video conferencing being something that gets used more within web conferencing, we see that as well. And then the other area we're seeing in terms of trends is these specialized use cases where compliance is a big part of. So I think that's we're beginning to see, especially in our government customers, where that's the key area of specialization. So whether it's your certification or compliance requirements that come on from different agencies, we're seeing that happen as well. So government is a key area for us, focus area for us for Connect. And so we look at some of the trends that are important in the government space. So in particular, we're seeing that the integration within your audio video stack as being a key differentiator. So we've seen a lot of agencies invest a lot in the room-based conferencing systems. So our ability to integrate into those systems is seen as critical. The other area we're seeing as an important area directionally is what we're trying to do with video itself. So we've seen the adoption of high quality video happen from a streaming perspective, but we want to bring that into Connect as a two-way conferencing solution. So that's an area that we're seeing as well. And the third area we're seeing as an interesting area is mobile learning. So we're used to taking our first classes in person, now online, but with the adoption of all the different smartphone and tablets, we're seeing mobile learning as being a key area of direction for us for Connect.